Personality disorders. Introduction. Which one of the following statements describes a personality disorder?
Choose one of the following options.
1. It affects the way a person sees the world. 2. It may cause problems with personal and professional relationships. 3. It is a type of mental illness. 4. All of the above. Correct. Personality disorders can cause a wide range of problems. Personality disorders affect which one of the following?
Choose one of the following options.
1. A person's behaviors. 2. A person's emotions. 3. A person's thoughts. 4. All of the above. Correct. Personality disorders can affect a person's thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Having a difficult or troubled upbringing is a major risk factor for developing a personality disorder. Select true or false. Correct. Children who are exposed to poverty, abuse, or other negative circumstances have an increased risk of developing a personality disorder. Blood tests and brain images can confirm the diagnosis of a personality disorder. Select true or false. Correct. No medical test can diagnose a personality disorder. The diagnosis should be made by a psychiatrist. Every person who is diagnosed with a personality disorder requires hospitalization. Select true or false. Correct. Psychiatric hospitalization is only used in severe cases of personality disorder. You must pose a danger to yourself or others to be hospitalized.
Thank you for using Explain.